Today we're going over addition with regrouping. You'll need a place value chart, counters, a pencil and whiteboard book. So I want to add together 3,656 and 1,785. So I've made both those numbers on my place value mat. And I put a bit of a line across, not a solid line, just a bit of a dotted line, just so that I can separate the two amounts. 3,656, and then beneath that, 1,785. I'm going to add those two numbers together, add the two sets of counters together. So I begin with the ones. I'm adding 6 ones and 5 ones together. So if I push all them together, I see that I've got 11 ones. We can't have 11 ones in the ones column, so I know that I need to regroup 10 of them, because 10 ones is the same as 110. So take away 10 ones, and I'm going to put 110 into the tens column as I've regrouped that. And I record that as 1, 1 and 110. Next, I'm going to add together the tens, 5 tens plus 8 tens plus the one that I regrouped. And I know that if I add all of those together, I will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 tens. I need to regroup 10 of those. 8, 10. And regroup that for 100, which leaves me with 4 tens. 100. Next, I'm going to add 600s and 700 and the regrouped 100 together, which gives me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 hundreds. I'm going to regroup 10 of them because I know that 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. So that leaves me with 4 hundreds in the hundreds column and 1,000. And next I add the thousands together, 3,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000, which gives me 5,000. So 3,656 plus 1,785 is equal to 5,441. What I'd like you to do next is pause the video in a second, make a note of this calculation, make the two numbers using the place value counters, and then I'd like you to add them together, being careful to regroup and make a note of your calculations in the whiteboard book, and we'll go through that together in a second. Okay, so I've made my two numbers, well, I will have in a second. I have 4,000, no hundreds, 7 tens and 4 ones for 4,074, and I have 3,000, no hundreds, 8 tens and 8 ones for 3,088. So first of all, I want to add the ones together. 8 ones plus 4 ones added together is 12 ones. I know that I need to regroup 10 of those, as 10 ones is the same as 110. So I've got 2 ones left in the ones column and I've got a regrouped 10. Next I'm going to add the 10, 7 tens plus 8 tens plus 110, and that gives me altogether 16 tens. And I need to regroup 10 of them because I know that 10 tens is the same as 100. So I have 6 tens left in the tens column and 100. Next, I'm going to add the hundreds. Now, I don't have any hundreds in my original calculation, but I do have this regrouped hundred, so I must not forget about that. So 0 hundreds plus 0 hundreds plus 100 is 100. And next, I'm going to add the thousands. 4,000s plus 3,000s is 7,000. So what I'd like you to do is make a note of these calculations, pause the video so that you can write them down and work through them in exactly the same way, using the place value mat, the counters, and making note of your workings in the whiteboard book. If you're working with a partner, you can then check your answers, or you can ask an adult to check them for you. And if you get finished and you still have some time, make some 4-digit numbers and add them together, and you can swap and give some calculations to your partner to work out.